hungry souls. Welcome back to Blogging Good Food, your ultimate destination for mouth-watering recipes and culinary tips. Today we are exploring quick and delicious healthy grilled chicken recipes for dinner ideas that sizzle. Let's start with the basics. Grilled chicken is not only flavorful but also a healthy choice for your dinner table. Here is how to create the perfect grilled chicken breast. First up, we have grilling techniques. Ensure your grill is preheated and clean for that perfect sear. Flip your chicken only once to lock in those juices. Next, let's take marinades. A good marinades can elevate your grilled chicken's flavor. Try out grilled chicken marinade for a burst of taste. Looking for something lighter? Try out grilled chicken salad recipes. These are not just salads, they are flavor packed delights. First on the list, the classic chicken Caesar salad. Crisp lettuce, grilled chicken, and creamy dressing, a match made in heaven. For a grab and go option, consider our grilled chicken wrap. It's a quick, easy, and bursting with flavors. Let's embark on a global journey with some international grilled chicken recipes. These will transport your taste buds. Craving Mexican flavors? Dive into our grilled chicken tacos, spicy, savory, and oh so satisfying. Looking for a seafood twist? Try our grilled shrimp recipes. They pair perfectly with grilled chicken for a surf and turf sensation. Can't resist a hearty sandwich. Our grilled chicken sandwich recipes are here to tantalize your taste buds. The classic chicken club sandwich, a timeless favorite, crispy bacon, fresh lettuce, and perfectly grilled chicken. For a healthier option, try our chicken and avocado sandwich. Creamy avocado complements the grilled chicken beautifully. That wraps our journey through these delectable healthy grilled chicken recipes, and head over to my website blogginggoodfood.com. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Thanks for joining us and happy grilling.